Today I am going to share 2 ways on how to stretch pizza dough. Let's make the crust first. First way on how to stretch the pizza dough. Gently pull each side of the dough while rotating it. Just don't stretch the center. This will thin the center of the dough or worst a hole. Then put the dough on your hand while transferring it to your other hand, just like what I am doing. The reason we do this is to even the thickness of our dough. Second way is what I recommend most, especially for beginners. Gently stretch the dough by pulling each side. Then transfer it to your knuckles while gently stretching it.